Okay, the highlight video from Greatstockpix.com live trading chat room. KERX we had on watch. Couldn't draw in the wrap or in the watch list video last night. I couldn't draw a trend line, but I can here in this video. We're looking for it above yesterday's high, right? Now let me add in today's candle, and you think, whoop, that didn't work. But let me show you on an intraday basis. Even though this reversed, this was my best trade of the day, and I went long, and I'll show you here. Switch to 5-minute candles. Okay, so here you go. You can see it opened over yesterday's highs. Okay, I didn't want to chase it, so what I did, I just let it trade. 5, 10, 15 minutes, you've got consecutive lower highs on 5-minute candles. I just called it long over this green candle, my stop below it. My thinking is 851 breaks this 5-minute candles high. That's only a dime away from the high of the day, so there's a good chance we push through the high and maybe get a little bit of a squeeze here, or a nice rally because of that daily chart. It had room, right? So 851, 841. Now we're at the new high of the day. Look at that volume. Now that's waking up. Everybody's seeing it. And then Kirk's just kept lighting up the new highs ticker. And then when we got this long 5-minute candle here, I was scaling out all the way, but when we got this long 5-minute candle on this kind of volume, I told everybody in the room this is a great place to take some off if you haven't already. Anytime you get that kind of move in your favor. My best sell was at 913. Again, I sell in parts, but guess what? That was pretty close to the high of the day, and then all the way back down. That doesn't matter to me. This reversal doesn't matter. I already had my money in my pocket. So KERX, great way to start the day. BBT, I called it long. BTurk, one of our all-stars, put all the regional banks on watch for everybody in the room. And when he said that, I brought up BBT. It's one of my favorite to trade of the regionals. And as soon as it started putting this green 5-minute candle, I called it long. 34.36, so it was right about here when I called it long with a low of day stop, which was only a dime below. And from 34.36 on a dime risk, it went all the way up to 34.91. But that's total thanks to BTurk because he put the regionals on watch. I just gave a trigger and stop on one of them, but I love the heads up there. And that was my highlights from the day. Late in the day, I also called CLF over 34.38. I think I called it right there. And it moved a little bit. Certainly isn't worthy of a highlight video. VVUS called long right here and went up about a dime. I made like a sandwich on it. When it came back to my entry, I was back out the rest. NAV, a couple guys called NAV right here over this base, like 32.05, something like that. It didn't do much, but it went up about 25 cents. We made some money on that. Osman K called Green Mountain Coffee at 74 even with a 73.72 stop, and from 74 it went to a 75.89. Great call by Oz before it gave it all back, but again, just like Kirk's, doesn't matter. And that's really all I have in my notes. It's we got slow summer trading going on, so I'm thrilled to have a morning with Kirk's and a BBT, and I'll just leave it at that. Quit babbling, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.